If you're feeling extra emotional today, maybe a little testy, less patient than normal, the moon went out of bounds last night. Basically, what that means is it went past the delineation of 23 degrees, 27 minutes, which is the ecliptic of our Earth. So when a planet is out of bounds, the Earth cannot quite receive the energy in the same way that it normally does. And so its effect on Earth is for us to not handle the realms of whatever planet that rules like we normally do. And in this case, it's the moon. It's our emotional state. It's the way that we feel safe and secure. It's our relationship with our mother and our children. It's our ability to regulate our own emotions. It's the way that we connect with whatever we find to be our own intuition and inner power. It's also ruling, again, what makes us feel safe and okay. So it can be bringing up some old insecurities. It can be bringing up some old emotional issues that you thought you were done with, but now all of a sudden they're coming back up with a vengeance. Or perhaps they're coming up in a different way so that you can finally let them go. It reaches the maximum distance on August 29th at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that's 9 a.m. Eastern. And when it reaches the maximum distance for being out of bounds is August 28th at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So that's when things might feel the most intense. So now that all the relatable stuff is out of the way, I'm going to get a little bit technical for all of my fellow astrology nerds. At the beginning of this video, I did say that the delineation was 23 degrees, 27 minutes before a planet goes out of bounds. But the way that we arrive to that specific coordination is we use our Earth's equatorial coordinate system based on the equator. Whereas when we plot for astrology, we're using a geocentric celestial longitude as our point of reference, which is 0 degrees Aries. So when we say stuff like my sun is at 2 degrees Scorpio, instead we're using our Earth's own latitude and longitudes as if they were extending into space as our point of reference. So our equator would be 0 degrees in the celestial map, and then we would use 23 degrees 27 minutes north for the summer solstice and 23 degrees 27 minutes south for the winter solstice. And this is based on the Earth's orbit and axis around the sun. I hope you guys learned a lot today. I had a lot of fun making this video. If you enjoyed it, please give my page a like and this video a share. Thank you so much.